we're at Kentucky Welding Institute. We're having the National Senior Welding Competition. We've got students from all over, from as far away as South Dakota and Texas, actually 12 states represented here.
I chose KWI because I liked the environment and always wanted to travel around and try something new. So came down here because it seemed like they had the best program fit for me. It's not very many chances you get to come do something like this and participate and, win some great prizes, and you just get to meet nice people,
I'm currently in a work study right now through my local weld shop, so I get to weld throughout the day in school and in work, so it's pretty fun and exciting.
I came from Cleveland, Ohio, from a Euclid program. Can't just pass up on an opportunity of going to a competition and seeing what you can do against other people. I'm really impressed with everything I've seen so far. I just competed in a cutting competition. I thought that was really cool. So far, everybody I've met here is just really great people. I think the Institute's really great. The instructor actually cares about his students and he wants what's best, which is the most important thing that every school should have, which is the instructor.
The success rate of other students that's gone here is really high, and that's what really caught my attention. The ratio of students to teachers is 10 to 1, which means that if you need a teacher or assistance, you're almost always going to get it as soon as you ask for it, and that's really helpful. The teachers really want to see you succeed.
When I first walked into Kentucky Welding Institute, I truly felt at home. It is amazing. It is great people, great instructors. Everybody gets along. I'm so blessed to be a part of this event. I got into this industry, into the oil field as a supervisor, and ran the job sites and spent a lot of time with the welders and realized my passion might be with the welding. So I switched careers at 37 years old, taught myself how to weld with help from others, and I've been doing it ever since. It was the best decision of my life. I came to Kentucky Welding Institute to teach kids how to live life outside of this school. I work hard, try my best every day, and that makes you a very desirable person, and I'm trying to pass that along to the kids.
I love this trade. I started off building derailed tank cars. Later on, I started building high luxurious passenger cars for the railroad, and then I ended up finding my passion to weld pipe, to build compressor skids. The opportunities for welding are unlimited. It's a very skilled trade. You're able to provide a very good, substantial income to provide for your family, and you're able to live a good life, and it's able to just change your life for the better. Kentucky Welding Institute has an incredible program, and what they're doing for the kids is so hands-on and so realistic. It was inspiring to me to come out here and see something like this.
We've got contractors on site here from across the nation. We've got UA Pipe Trades represented. We have Starcon, Chanbro, Craft Force, just to name a few. And those guys are looking to hire welders. The biggest benefit is after 6 months of training at Kentucky Welding Institute, those competitors can go right into the workforce as a highly skilled welder ready to earn some big bucks in today's industry.